Hi everyone, this is Paige, the marketing coordinator at CLM. Today we are going to dive into one of our resources, our Create a Project feature. First, let's start with how to make a project. I'm currently on the homepage of the website. I'm going to make sure that I'm logged in. At the top it shows that I am. You need to be logged in to create, save, or export any of our projects. Now let's go through and save some information to our project. So I'm going to do some browsing. And as we're going through, you can see on each page, there's an orange Save to My Project button on each page. So let's go ahead and save one of these pages. And you will get a pop-up, and you'll just need to either select a current project you already have or create a new project. While we are here, let's look at some specific products and add them to our pricing and availability. Just scroll down and click Check Price and Availability. You can also save this as well by clicking the Save button. Lastly, let's save a CAD drawing to our project as well. And now that is loaded, let's click Save to My Project again. Save that as well. Now that we have a pricing and availability option, a page saved, and a CAD drawing, let's go look at our project. So you can access the projects on your customer or distributor dashboard, which you can get to at the top of your screen if you're logged in. Here you can see my dashboard, and right on the home page of the dashboard is my projects, which you can access them here, or you can go to the left of your screen and click the clipboard icon here. So here's our project, and you can go in and click all that information that we just saved. If you have any recent orders, these will also be saved here as well. So let's share a project, which is a new capability. Now users can share projects via email with anyone they want to collaborate with. So I'm going to select this project and click Share a Project. From here, I'm going to select which project I want to share and fill out my contact information. Once that's ready, I'll just click Share. Here is what the email will look like once you have sent that off. The person that received the email will just need to either sign into their account or create an account to view that information. That is all I have for today on projects at Carr Lane. Have a great day.